Sandhill Decorating uses a job order cost system to collect the cost of its interior decorating business. Each client's consultation is treated as a separate job. Overhead is applied to each job based on the number of decorator hours incurred. Listed below are data for the current year. Okay, we see that estimated overhead costs were $960,000. The actual overhead costs were slightly higher, $981 at $720. Estimated decorator hours are 48,000, and the actual decorator hours incurred were 48,600. Now, they also tell us that the company uses a different account than just manufacturing overhead. But for the portion of this problem that I'm going to explain, that's irrelevant. All right, so let's go through the solution. Okay, first, we're just going to write down the information in Excel so that Excel can do the math for us. The estimated overhead costs were $960,000. The estimated decorated hours were 48,000. So if we take A, the estimated overhead cost, divided by B, the estimated decorator hours, we come up with C, the overhead applied rate. Okay, now that we have that, we can put in the actual decorator hours, and I see I have a spelling error here. Let's add that R. 48,600. And we can do our overhead applied. Now, the overhead applied is calculated by taking C times D. So let's just show that as well. C times D. Okay, then we compare that to the actual overhead cost, which was $981. And what we see is, since the overhead applied was less than the overhead cost, we're in an underapplied situation. And the underapplied amount was $9,720. So here, to calculate this, we would say this is F minus E, but sometimes it would be E minus F to determine if it was overapplied. And that's all there is to this one, everyone. So I hope you found that helpful.